plaster chipping. I'm noticing some chipping on the steps of my pool plaster. What can I do?
I guess there's quite a few questions that I would have as to the plaster itself, but let's start. If you're in the north, where we have freeze thaw, the pool is lowered for the winter, and over the course of the winter you have a step or two that's exposed, and if there's any moisture trapped in there, you do get some spalling. That's fairly common. Is it right or good? No, but it is fairly common in the north. Likely in the south, if there's plaster that's exposed, it's the sun, the over drying of the plaster that would cause the same thing. Really the only solution is to patch it. If it's a regular Marcite finish, a white plaster finish, you could purchase a plaster repair kit and literally just recoat those sections. In the past years, not so much in recent history, we've gone so far as to replaster the entire step and feather it into the existing plaster in the pool, depending on how bad it is. The other possibility, although if it's a regular plaster finish with marble dust as the base, the aggregate, it's a little less easy to polish it. If it's a quartz-based finish, it can be polished. You can use a diamond polisher, but that's something you could certainly try to hand polish it smooth, leave the chip there, and just try to hand polish it smooth so it doesn't look so bad. But short of that, there's not any magic pill how to either stop it from happening or to fill it in, other than creating patches or grinding it down or replastering the